Hello guys. Just a quick recap from the previous video. The data after all the pre-processing looks like this, and DF2 has all the columns with numerical values. Now we move on to the next step in model preparation. That is, splitting the data. Splitting data is a crucial step in machine learning model. But why splitting the data? Training a model on the entire data set can lead to overfitting, where the model memorizes the data instead of learning patterns. But by splitting the data, we can assess how model is performing on unseen data simulating real-world scenarios. The purpose of splitting the data is to train the model the underlying patterns and relationships in the dataset. Generally, 70 to 80% of data is allocated here. For testing the model's performance on unseen data, 20 to 30% of the data is reserved for this. In some cases, a separate validation set is used to fine-tune the model's parameters or select the best performing algorithm without contaminating the test set. Now let's see how we can do the splitting in model creation. First, we need to import train test split module from sklearn package. Now we need to identify target feature, which is the objective or final prediction of the model. Here in our case, predicting the winning team is the objective. So, final winner is the target feature. Our dataset after preprocessing is pinned for reference. Except final winner, rest of the features are in X variable. Final winner will be in the Y variable. After having X and Y variables, apply the train test split function to them. If you keenly look, this function yields 4 variables X train, X test, Y train, and Y test. We use them later in our model creation. In the same function, we have a parameter test size as 0 point, to which means 20% is test data and rest 80% is training data. Another parameter, random state, this means we have random split. There are different splits like random split, stratified split, and time-based split. We will discuss them in detail in later videos. This is how we do splitting of the dataset. For now, that's it. See you in the next video with model selection.